Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your Android TV is online and the remote works. This prevents interruptions. Once connected, press Home and navigate to Settings, or long press Home on supported remotes to jump there. From Settings, choose Display and Sound, then Wallpaper or Ambient Mode depending on your device. This opens the Wallpaper chooser. It's the control center for images and slideshow sources. Make sure to use an account signed into Google if you want cloud or art gallery options, because those sources. Now choose where your wallpaper will come from. Options include Google Photos, Art Gallery, USB storage, live wallpapers, or built-in images. If you pick Google Photos, grant access and select an album or single image. If you use USB, browse folders and pick files. Once you select an image, crop and position it so key elements are centered for a 16:9 TV frame. This avoids heads or text getting cut off. Preview the result, and when it looks right, confirm to set it or enable a slideshow schedule. Finish by applying the wallpaper or configuring a rotating slideshow with your chosen interval and album. This keeps the screen fresh. Make sure to set ambient mode timeout and disable heavy animations if you want lower power use. If the TV won't accept the image, verify the file format, JPG, PNG, resolution, match or exceed 1920 x 1080, and that the app has permission to access storage or Google Photos. Finally, reboot the TV and try again. That clears cache and solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.